Hey guys, welcome to the video tutorial on C programming, and in this tutorial we're gonna see how we can pass a union variable to a function. So we can pass the members of a union to a function, or we can pass the entire union variable to a function. So in this tutorial I'm just gonna explain you about how to pass a union variable to a function. So first, for the demonstration purpose, we're gonna define a union. So it's gonna be union, and let me call it as data, and within the curly braces we need to define the members of this union data. So first we're gonna define a character array, and let me call it as string, and let's define a size of 10. Next, let's have our integer variable x. Okay, the next thing we want to do is we're gonna define a function which is gonna take the union variable as an argument. So it's gonna be void, and let me call it as display, and we need to use this union data and d. So here this union data is a variable type, and d is a variable. So here in this display function we're gonna use a printf function, and it's gonna be first we're gonna print the string value. So that's why I'm gonna use a %s. Then we need to refer the variable. It's just similar to accessing the union variable member. So it's gonna be the dot operator, and then I'm gonna use the member name. So it's gonna be string. So save it. In our main function, what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a variable of this union data. So it's gonna be union data, and let me call it as var. Then we're gonna initialize our string member of this var union variable. So I'll be using the strcpy function because we are initializing the string value strcpy. Then we need to first define the destination. So it's gonna be var dot string, and next we need to pass the string. So it's gonna be, let's say, hi learner. Save this one. Next we need to pass this var variable to our display function. So it's gonna be display, and we just need to pass the variable. So it's just var. So now, okay, don't make any spelling mistake here. It should be display. That's the function name we have here. Save it, execute, compile, and run. You can see here hello learner, which is printed. So now I'm gonna teach you how we can pass the address of a union variable to a function. So in our display function we're gonna change this one to take the address. So we need a pointer here, so it's gonna be *d, and here we just need to change this dot to this arrow operator. So this arrow operator is used to access the members of a structure or a union when we are dealing with the pointers. Next we need to pass the address here. I'm going to use the ampersand sign, and that's it. Save it, execute, compile, and run. You can see here we have hello learner, and I just successfully passed the address of a union variable to a function. So this is it, guys. This is about passing a union variable and address of a union variable to a function. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my Facebook page at facebook.com/learninglad, and I see you in the next tutorial.